Prathamesh Malya of Angel Commodities now joins us to talk more about that. Prathamesh, hi. A lot of changes now in sense of crude as we have been seeing in last 24 to 48 hours. What is your sense? Finally, some time for correction now?
Morning, Manisha. Yes, the set of factors that you just mentioned clearly outlines that it would be possibly an easy exit for the compliance that OPEC has set it for itself. I think Iran, Venezuela getting out of business with supplies is really a good win-win situation for spare capacity countries like Saudi as well as Iraq. So I think they will possibly pull out some more oil, and the disturbance that's been happening in oil markets with regards to supply can be easily taken off. So I think we would possibly witness a correction as far as WTI goes. I think 10% it has rallied in past 1 month or so. I think the possible correction can possibly extend towards 67, for that matter 65 for WTI. And rupee terms, it translates out to around 4,500, 4,600. That's a steeper correction, but then immediate near term I would be bearish on oil. I think 5,000 on the MCX is quite a resistance point. I think I would be seller on oil at higher levels. The target points would be around 4,900 immediately, and then if it takes off, I think 4,800 seems to be there in the cards.
A word on the metal space as well, because almost everything is trading in the negative. Iron ore prices are down by 1.5%. Steel is trading at a 5-week lows. Copper has come off its 1-month highs that it was trading on yesterday. What are you watching out here?
I think for copper, I think increasing inventories on the LME is something a cause of concern. Besides 475 on the MCX is what it is trading at, which was the previous high point. I think you will see some bit of correction as far as copper goes. A little bit of a caution on this metal. While you rightly mentioned iron ore and steel prices have taken a hit in the recent trading sessions, I think the next possible correction you would see on nickel, because these metals are directly correlated to what's happening in iron ore and steel. So I think the rally in nickel should possibly hold. I think 960 on the M6 is what we're looking at as far as nickel goes. While immediate near term for copper, 477 looks to be there on the cards, which is quite a resistance point. But a note of caution as far as copper goes if you want to go long on this metal.
Okay, all right, Manisha. Thanks very much for joining in and taking us through all of those commodity strategies. Just want to